In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable some settings in Gmail. First, let's open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in the address gmail.com. Once you hit enter, you will be greeted by the Gmail login page. Here you will see fields prompting you for your email address and password. This step is crucial as it gets you into your inbox where all the magic happens. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Gmail inbox filled with your emails. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you will manage your communications. Next, you will need to sign into your Google account. If you have already entered your email address, simply click the Next button. Then enter your password and click Next again. This ensures that you are accessing your own account, which is important for maintaining your privacy and security. Once logged in, you will see your inbox, along with a menu on the left side. Here you can manage your emails, view different labels, and more. This login process guarantees that you are the only one accessing your personal information. Now click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear and is located in the top right corner of your inbox. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear, but we're focused on the gear icon itself. Clicking this icon will take you to the settings menu, where you can adjust various features of your Gmail account. This step is essential because customizing your settings can greatly enhance your email experience. From there, click on See All Settings. This option will redirect you to a new page filled with different tabs and settings. You will see categories like General, Inbox, Labels, Accounts and Import, and Forwarding and POP/EMAP. Each of these categories allows you to tweak specific features of your Gmail account. Understanding where to find these settings is key, as it opens up a world of customization options to suit your preferences. At this point, open the tab for the setting you want to change. For example, if you want to modify your inbox style, click on the Inbox tab. If you're looking to alter your email signatures or vacation responders, head over to the General tab. Each setting tab is designed to help you manage specific aspects of your Gmail account. This organization helps streamline your experience and makes finding what you need much easier. Next up, turn on, enable, or select the option you want. You will see various choices depending on the tab you've opened. For instance, if you are in the General tab, you might enable features like Conversation View or change your default reply behavior. Carefully selecting these options allows you to customize how Gmail works for you. This customization is important as it can improve your workflow and make using Gmail more enjoyable. After making your selections, scroll to the bottom of the settings page. This is where you will finalize your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's vital to ensure that your preferences are recorded. Checking the bottom of the page will also give you a chance to review any additional settings you might want to adjust. This attention to detail ensures that you don't miss any important options. Finally, click on Save Changes. This final step is crucial as it confirms all the adjustments you have made to your settings. Without saving, your changes will not be applied and you will revert to the previous settings. You will see a confirmation message appear assuring you that your preferences have been successfully updated. This makes sure your changes are saved and ready for you to use. Now you are all set to enjoy a customized Gmail experience that suits your needs.